Best drones offer a way to take pictures and record video in the air that you simply can't get any other way. The latest drones are easy to fly and are comparable in quality to your phone camera. It's easier than ever to take to the sky with one of the best drones. Today's quadcopters are a cinch to pilot, and can take some impressive photos and videos. What's more, there's a drone out there to suit just about every need and price, whether you're a videographer, vlogger, or just want to have some fun. Today's drones are extremely capable flyers with more impressive cameras than ever before, so it's an excellent time to consider one. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or are just getting to grips with snapping photos and videos from lofty heights, there are tons of excellent options to choose from. So, here's what we know about the best drones in 2023. If you need any product in this video, the links of the products are given below in description. Number 3. DJI Air 2S. DJI Air 2S features DJI's most advanced O3 OcuSync 3.0 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. DJI Air 2S has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions, up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds. Equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, DJI Air 2S is capable of 5.4K 30fps and 4K 60fps video. Operating temperature range -0 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The next evolution of Quick Shots, Master Shots, is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. Focus Track features Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. Max service ceiling above sea level, 5,000 meters. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3. 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. The legendary Swedish brand Hasselblad customized the L2D20C aerial camera for the Mavic 3 series, embedding a professional-grade 4/3 CMOS into an incredibly compact space. 5.1K HD video, professional-grade imaging performance for sharper details. It can also record 4K 60fps pictures through oversampling technology. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing. With APAS 5.0, Mavic 3 Classic can detect objects in all directions at all times during flight, and smoothly avoid obstacles, making flights exceptionally safe. 15 km HD video transmission. Mavic 3 Classic offers a 15 km (9.3 miles) max transmission range. This extends shooting possibilities with stable signal and a crystal clear 1080p 60fps feed. Number 1. Audel Evo Lite Plus. Audel Evo Lite drone features impressive max 40-minute super long continuous flying ability. Audel Lite adopts advanced camera with 1/1.28 CMOS and 2.44 micrometers and 50 megapixels Leica lens, integrates powerful ability such as 4K video, lossless vertical shot, obstacle avoidance, intelligent return, dynamic tracking, sky portrait, HDR mode, defog mode, one-click vlog, 16x zoom, 12K HD transmission, and etc., making it perfect choice for aerial photographers. Applied RYYB technology, Audel Robotics Evo Lite drone is able to absorb 40% more light input under the premise of same shooting environment comparing to traditional RGB arrays. Applied 4K camera with 1/1.28 CMOS, 2.44 micrometers and 50 megapixels Leica lens. Evo Lite drone support 4K 30fps video and features more crisp image with richer details than Air 2 and Air 2S in low light condition.